That's a misfire. Because, you know, again,
Could turn into a hangfire.
you know, well, it's a misfire right now.
Right.
It could turn, like you said, it could become a misfire, but we really don't know. So at this point, you wouldn't want to approach that shell for a while. You'd just want to leave it alone and not do anything. So, well, let's try the next one. In 3, 2, 1.
That's a
Okay.
Oh.
So the first one was a misfire. All that was is a shell leader in the tube. So you hear the fuse burn and then there's nothing that goes. The second one actually was a hang fire. So it was a misfire and then a little while later it actually did fire. All right, let's see what the next one does in 3, 2, 1.
It blew up in the tube.
Nope.
No, it's coming down. Round trip? There it is.
It's a dud.
There it is.
There it is.
Oh, that was
Okay. So, yep.